I read some of the comments from my viewers. When OpCore Simplify hardware checker reports a GPU as unsupported, that label has a specific meaning. It is not a bug and not a setting that can be adjusted. It means Apple never wrote a macOS driver for that GPU, and because of that, the GPU has never worked with macOS and never will. No amount of configuration, patching, or troubleshooting changes that, since there is no driver in existence to enable it. The practical result is that hardware acceleration on an unsupported GPU is not possible. If a compatibility checker flags a GPU this way, the realistic paths forward are limited to three. The first is switching to a supported GPU, such as an AMD Radeon RX 6000 series card on a desktop system where the graphics card is not soldered to the motherboard. The second is using genuine Apple hardware. The third is stepping away from a Hackintosh build on that particular machine, since some hardware combinations simply cannot run macOS with working graphics. For Intel integrated graphics specifically, acceleration is generally possible on 10th generation or earlier chips paired with a 400 series chipset or older, and only on Intel Core processors, not Celeron or Pentium models. Anyone running an 11th generation Intel laptop or newer should expect the integrated GPU, including Iris Xe and Arc, to never work under macOS. Apple dropped integrated GPU support starting with that generation. macOS can still boot on that hardware, but the integrated graphics will not function, and there is no fix for that limitation. NVIDIA hardware follows a separate and simpler explanation. Apple stopped signing NVIDIA drivers starting with macOS Mojave. NVIDIA, in turn, never released metal-compatible open-source drivers of its own. Between those two facts, Apple's support for NVIDIA GPUs ended completely, and no modern version of macOS supports NVIDIA hardware in any form. Further detail on supported and unsupported GPUs across both AMD and NVIDIA hardware is available through Dortania's GPU Buyer's Guide and its companion Anti-Hackintosh Buyer's Guide. Tools like OpCore Legacy Patcher do not change any of this. OCLP is built to extend support for genuine Mac hardware that Apple has officially dropped from newer macOS releases. It does not add support for GPUs that macOS never supported on Hackintosh systems in the first place, since those are different problems entirely. Building driver support for an unsupported GPU from scratch is not a realistic option either. It would mean writing a macOS graphics driver that Apple itself never wrote, and for NVIDIA hardware in particular, there are no open-source drivers available to build from. Even a best-effort attempt at this would likely be unstable, prone to crashing, and not usable for regular work. Compatibility checkers like the one built into OpCore Simplify are generally reliable, and they're primarily built around systems from roughly 2012 through 2020. Newer hardware can still run macOS successfully, but typically only when paired with a supported graphics card rather than relying on the system's built-in graphics. If a checker reports a GPU as incompatible, that result can be trusted.